Hello guys, welcome to this episode where I'm going to be showing you how to make a save checkpoint for your players in your game. Welcome to making a game in C language. So I will show you step by step exactly what I've done so you can make a saving checkpoint for your players. So I've created this nested array right here, 2D array. Basically this means character. Okay, so we're putting characters inside. This means 10 arrays, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I got 9. Maximum is 10 and the maximum letters is 20 in my case. So this is the first step. Now I'm saving the type of class the player chooses. So when he saves, then the account he has saved, he's showing him the class, the amount of the percent of how much he made so far, how much he's been playing the game. So 10% in our case. We will add that later, but yeah, we're saving the classes now. You do this step right there, which I showed you earlier, and later what I did is I put numbers right there. So if the player chooses the Ranger native from the program right here, let me show you. If you've seen my last videos, you know what I'm talking about, but technically the player chooses a tribe, then his class, right? If he chooses Ranger Native American, this number of character right here, this one will turn to 1. Because if you see here, I'm saying this. So type Y to confirm, or type N for next. So if he chooses Y, if choose 2 equals with Y, num of car equals to 1. So this right here, it goes 1. For int ch 0 minimum than 9, ch plus plus. So for 9 places, if num of car, which is in our case is 0, right? So the place 0 of this array is 1, which it is. We chose the Ranger Native American. File, open, tribe.txt, right here. Now fprint, this is how the print code of file works if you want to print something in a text document. So fprint ftribe character ch. So I'm tapping the okay, so ftribe character ch is right here. So it's going to collect 0, which is Ranger Native. So in our file, and he prints out the name that he chose from the beginning. Let me show you. Type your character's name, John, and instantly later adds it here. So and then fclose. So you don't need that. do need that. If you want to, this was in the last episode, so you can go and check it out for yourself how to put genders. So we got the name of the player, the ranger, his class, and let me show you again once more. So I type John. Let's pick wizard, right? And I'll pick female. So black wizard John, and the problem is the gender now. So let me go. So let me think about that for a second. So it types male. Okay, that's good. But what about females? One second, guys. For the female, it doesn't show up, so what's wrong with that? Oh, it first goes to end, and then maybe that's why. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, that's why. So what I did right here, let's take this example, right? I'm saying if tribe yeah, we just select it from this array. This array is this array right here. You see? And I'm saying, let's take this example. If string compare tribe yeah, which is that one, which is the array, ranger native equals with 0, that means it matches perfectly, or string compare tribe yeah oculus native. If you notice right here, I am selecting the first class, the Native American, the first tribe, you know, and I'm yeah, if you see right here, pick your tribe, Native American, right? Wait a second. So I pick the tribe now, Ranger Native American. So if it agrees, if one of those agrees, because it's or here, tribe yeah equals with defender native, Native American boy. I'm printing. So if he types that, I'm printing that. All right, as the male option. Yeah, I'm printing that. You can pause right here if you wanna see how you copy paste ASCII art with text document using pre-made code file. Alright, and then I'm saying gender, male, type, white, confirm, N for next. So if he types N, if Y, if he types confirm, string copy, gender, male. Okay, so I am sending the string male to gender. Gender, it's I've put it right here on the top, alright? So if he types N, system clear, Native American again. This text document is for the girl one. Let me show you. Native American TXT, that's for the girl one. So if he types N, sorry, wait a second. I've put it capital letter, upper letter. Didn't mean to. So we'll fix that later on. So if he types any other letter, he will be shown again the question if he wants to type Y or N. So don't worry about that. That's the easy part. So he types N, the ASCII art now appears. Like that. This is the code for showing this right here, this ASCII art. Right here. System clear first. So you don't have to, if he scrolls up, he doesn't see the previous ASCII art and the previous code, obviously. So if he types Y, string copy gender female, or else if, go to gender male. Now gender male, actually if I search it up, it's up here. It goes back from the beginning. You see what I'm doing? You see? Okay, easy. And before that, I'm saying system clear, like that. Now, one problem I've got is when I tap to confirm, the file that I'm saving, that I'm doing for my save checkpoint, right here. No, there's no problem with that because I fixed it previously, but I will show you something really important. So let's go to the wizard one. All right, let's go to the female right here. So you see my program automatically, I showed you the code previously, but I will show you later on how it did that. So my code, when I typed Y, it automatically wrote here in this text document female. Alright, now if I go to the wizard tribe, confirm, so pick gray for example, and I choose female. Now let's see the text document. It's a weird looking thing, alright, because when you type Y to confirm the female option, right here, it first goes to end, which is at the end of this, let me show you, it's at the end of these codes, right here, it's at the very bottom. So it first goes to the very bottom, and the string copy never existed. It's like it never existed. So because the program reads upwards to downwards, like that, it goes from here, like that. So it first goes to foo, skips, and the string copy never existed in the first place. So that is very important. Let me see for the warriors. No, it's all good now. It's all good now. Alright. Here I've made a second, or not a second, but another one function, so that I don't work in my main function. So you separate functions for each thing you do in your game. To start up your game, you make a new function and then you print it out in the main function. To save the person's checkpoint, to do anything, to choose characters, to choose something, to tell a story, you will need to make another function in the main function, which is the compiler sees actually and printing. You are going to print the functions above the main function. You see what I'm doing here? I'm just printing the functions only in the main and some other little stuff, but I'm making functions for a function for every thing I do in my game, right? This is very important. So checkpoint reunion, I've called this function. So I'm going to print right here. I'm going to do a system clear first. So this is later, after he taps confirm on the gender. Later on, he's got something like that, printf. I'm going to pop up a message saying that, boy, you've reached a checkpoint. Do you want to save or no? Like that. And want to ask him like that, so let me make a chart option right here, like that. Okay, like that. So if this is very simple coding, guys, right here. If you don't know the basics, I have a link down in the description, which it can help you learn them. If you don't know them, that's fine. So if option equals with y, let me try that. Else if option equals with n. No, we don't need that actually. We just need one letter, not a string. So else if n no slip. Let me put it right like that for a second. So if he types yes, one second. Let me do another thing. So here it's the checkpoint. Now he answers like that. Okay, I don't know what it did that. I'm sorry. So if option equals with yes, what do I do now? So I've got his name, his class, and his wait one second. What? Okay, so we got his class, we got his name. I typed it wrong right here, whatever. So we've got his gender. So let's make it look cool, alright? We'll do a printf saving and let's let's make a color right here. Let's make it green. And let's make this green too. Let's make this red. Okay, red. But if he types no, I'm saying to him red loading. Like that. Reset. So okay, I got a plan. So let me show you what we've done so far. No. I need to print it in the main function, the function that I've made. Actually, so give me a second, guys. Like that. So wait, what? Oh, I didn't return anything. So if you don't want it to return anything from your function, you do return 0. It just means nothing. But if we have this right here, the void, the int, we have to return an integer, no matter what. If we put void, that means we will return nothing and we won't have this syntax error right there. So let's see now. what we have made so far. So I put female. Oh, come on now. Come on. Come on. Setterm pull down. Hello? Oh my god, that pisses me off. That's the side, guys. I didn't do anything right there. So, you've reached a checkpoint. Save yes or no. So if you tap yes, okay, we got a little problem. So this is not shown for some reason. Saving. Let's no. That doesn't work either. I don't know why. Well, maybe I know. let's see now. Oops. No, it doesn't work. My god, I don't know why. Oh, that pisses me off so much. Let's see now, saving, alright. Nice, guys. See you later. Alright. Let me put this sleep right there. So we don't have this message right here. I don't want this to pop up again, like that. So it is something I've built in the beginning to see if it is, if the code goes to the very bottom and it ends. That's why that's here. But we've reached a checkpoint. Save, yeah, no. So okay, everything's good now. All right. I got a very good idea now. I want this to return the option actually. So let me return option like that. And here we will have char option 2. Here in the function we put option 2, okay, like that. So this is a connection with this, if you didn't know. So to connect the main function with the function that we've made. So see about that one. Now let's say if option2 equals with yes, equals with yes. Let's see. Save yes, saving, and no, that's check point.txt. Yeah, saving. Okay, nothing happened, right? Okay. Okay, but what about that? What about that? So I'm saying save, yes or no. So, and it goes back to here, right? Okay. And I'm returning the option. Okay. So, what if it's not a void, it's char. Like what? It's not void, man. Wait, what? It is char. What the fuck? It's saying void. Why? What? Are you kidding me? Whatever. Okay, whatever. What if, right, we what if by default no, it's not gonna work. So let me clear those. If Πώς το έκανα? Continue. So guys, what I've done here, so um, so let me see guys if that works. So I'll put John right there. Continue. Yes, I want to save. Now we actually got what we needed. And boom, continue. Let me see something else. What if he doesn't save? Say new game. John. No. let's save. And it has continued. Let's make a new game now. Yes, save. Okay, let's not save. Let's not save now, actually. No, I don't want to save. Okay, that's nice. Let's make it tribe check 1 and this like that. Let's append. Okay, let me show you what I've done right here. Okay, so here I'm saying printf new game, printf credits, and here it's a line check for the lines to read them, file to read them off the text document, file, checkpoint, save, file open, tribe txt read. So I am reading this file. This file is for the saving progress. If you haven't followed up with my video, basically every time that he picks a class, a tribe, and he picks his name, I am putting them automatically in this folder right here, in this text document right here, the tribe text txt. So I'm reading the file. So if the file, I'm reading the lines. If the lines basically what I'm saying here, string length. So if the line is bigger than 2, that means if the lines are bigger than, if it is like this, if the lines are like this, I'm saying to the program printf continue, like this and bigger, right? If it is like this, it won't print continue right here. That's what that means. So it's printf continue. Why though? Why bigger than 2? Because, let me show you. 1 second. Because I've made the program like so. First, the program gets this. So my classes are 2 letters and higher. Alright? So there's no way this is going to be false. Alright? So if it is like this, so now it's going to print continue. If I reload it, let me show you. It's going to print continue. If I remove those, it's not going to be there anymore. Okay? With this line right here and this as well. This line's right here. And basically every time he types something, I'm storing it in the text document, right? Now it is stored. Okay? But I'm saying to him, you've reached its checkpoint, save, yes or no. So down right here, if the guy reaches the checkpoint, save or no. If the guy picked Y, then file append his progress. So I'm appending his progress. Let me show you. If I type Y, else if n loading and tribe, overwrite the tribe text document to 1 line of nothing, right? So the progress he's made, you have made. This looks ugly though because it doesn't show up the colors. 1 second. I'm going to fix that in 1 minute. Like so. Wait. No. It's okay. We won't add those. We won't add the colors right here. Doesn't matter. So if he types Y, I'm saving his progress, right? Progress 10%. If he types next, loading, and tribe, look at this. 1 line of nothing, right? So when he will restart the game, let me show you. John, so everything is here, right? If he types n, the trap goes to 1 line of nothing, which that means if he restarted, there's no continuation, there's no continue option here, because if string length line check, the first line is bigger than 2, then say this. It's not bigger than 2, it's just 1 space only. That means it's like that now. It can be done. So it continues with the exit option and not the continue option. The continue option disappears if he types n. So let me see right now if he actually types continue, if he actually if the option he chooses is actually continue. Let's make it like that now, because we have 3 options now. 4, I'm sorry, 4 options. Invalid choice. Oh no, didn't think of that. Invalid choose. Okay, let's say if string length line check is bigger, is minus than 2 or equals to, and we do that. Like that. Else if strength line check bigger than 2, or what color is that? Did on me? 32 me? Or x1b let that be 0 and that 3 right there. X1b zero m Okay, let me see. 4, 3 or 0, yeah. Line check. Oh no, let me do this right here. Let me change those two differently. So yeah, 4. Okay. Okay, we got it. I hope you understood what I did there. I will explain to you. Save, yeah. Four, and now we got the option right there. All right, and now case 3. Go to where do we want him to go if he types continue? We want him to go right here, right? We want him to go after that. So this is a little bit tricky. If okay, let's see. File check, f open. Come on now. What? What? Come on now. What? I don't know why, but okay. Fgets no line file no file check Okay, let me do another one for the progress. So no, it's good, it's good. I think it's good. Yeah, I think it's good. So progress 10. Progress 10% equals with 0. Go to checkpoint 1. Go to checkpoint 1. Right here, right there. Okay, let me see. No, come on. What happened up there? Oh, I didn't actually put right, let me see now. So progress 10. So it is progress 10 right there, but it's 4 lines to be exact, and let's make it print it works so that we get hype. So it works. Okay, it works. Okay, nice. So here was new game. Loading. John. Yes, let me save, please. He saves, and then it works. And then he types. I've only did that because he continues from this. This is where the code is done. Is done. Like we did everything, and like we haven't made the game after this point, so that's why I've built that right here. So it goes right here. This is after the checkpoint. We just haven't made the game. We just haven't made the game after the checkpoint yet. So yeah, that was the video of how to make a save checkpoint. You see it works. It puts you right here. So yeah, thank you for watching. Before I leave, I want to explain once again what I've done. So so printf new game credits. Now here I'm saying line check file, so I'm taking every line of the tribe.txt. Alright, if strength line check, so if the line has so if the line has 3 letters and up, it shows up the continue. So if the tribe has 3 letters and up, it shows up the continue button, else it doesn't. Why that? Because I've set the code so that the class will be first. My classes are 3 letters and up for sure. It's like 5 letters and up each, so that works fine for me. And then if this line has 3 letters and up, it says continue, or else it doesn't say continue, it just says exit right after. So here I scan the option that the player gives, like that, invalid choice and everything else. And the cool thing about this code though is right here, checkpoint reunion, that's my function. So if he says why, I am adding the progress 10, right, to the tribe.txt, so I'm adding this right here. If he types yes to the save, if he types n, loading, and I'm adding 1 letter, in this case it's a spacebar, ASCII number, so it is 1 letter, just a space. So if he tries to restart the game, he won't have the continue button, because here I'm saying 3 letters and up. This one right here is just 1 space, it's 1 letter. Okay. That's the cool part. And later what I did was in case he picked continue, right here, in case he picked continue 3, that means continue, I'm reading the file again. If any of those files have progress 10, which in our case, yes it does, string compare, we are comparing the line with the string right here that we put. So if they are the same, go to checkpoint 1. Checkpoint 1 is right here. We just haven't made the game yet. We just printed it works, so we can see if it works or not. What else? So if there's any other checkpoint, what we will do is we will rewrite this progress to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, or whatever, right? And then we're going to type else if, then we're going to type else if string compare line, string compare line, progress, else if, right? Go to checkpoint 1, and the checkpoint 1 will be down there, like anywhere into the program later on. Yeah, I hope you get what I'm saying. Okay, that's it for today's episode. Leave a like if it was helpful in any way. um, I'll probably put the code down if you happen to not see the whole video, and I will see you in the next one.